In a recent development, PowerSchool, a prominent edtech company, has fallen victim to a significant cyber attack. This breach has raised serious concerns across numerous school districts in the United States. School districts impacted by the recent cyber attack on the edtech company PowerSchool have informed TechCrunch that hackers gained access to all historical student and teacher data within their student information systems. PowerSchool, which provides software for managing school records for over 60 million students across the United States, experienced a breach in December. This intrusion compromised its customer support portal using stolen credentials, granting access to extensive personal information for K-12 students and teachers. The attack has yet to be linked to a specific hacker or group. While PowerSchool has not disclosed the number of affected school customers, 2 anonymous sources from impacted districts confirmed to TechCrunch that significant amounts of personal data belonging to both current and former students and teachers were accessed. One individual stated, "In our case, I just confirmed that they got all historical student and teacher data." They noted that while PowerSchool indicated the breach occurred in late December, their district's logs suggested earlier access by the attackers. Another source from a district with nearly 9,000 students reported that the hackers accessed demographic data for all teachers and students, both current and historical, since the district began using PowerSchool. We have seen this access in our logs, and PowerSchool has disclosed it in customer calls. They also criticized PowerSchool for lacking basic security measures, such as multi-factor authentication. When contacted by TechCrunch, PowerSchool spokesperson Beth Keebler did not challenge the district's accounts, but refrained from discussing security protocols due to company policy. She confirmed that the company does utilize multi-factor authentication, but offered no further details. Several school districts have publicly addressed the implications of the PowerSchool breach for their students and staff. The Menlo Park City School District, also affected, reported that the hackers accessed data on all current students and staff, along with historical data dating back to the 2009 to 2010 school year. Keebler did not comment on the extent of the data breach, but stated that PowerSchool had identified the schools and districts involved, while declining to disclose their names. She mentioned the company is still working to pinpoint specific individuals whose data may have been compromised. Mark Racine, CEO of the education technology consulting firm Rooted Solutions, noted in a recent blog post that the breach could also impact former PowerSchool customers, potentially widening the breach's scope beyond the 18,000 current educational clients. Some districts are reporting that the number of affected students could be 4 to 10 times greater than the number of currently enrolled students. According to a PowerSchool FAQ seen by TechCrunch, the stolen data includes names, addresses, social security numbers, medical information, grade details, and other personal identifiable information related to students and teachers. The Rancho Santa Fe School District, one of the first to report the breach to state regulators, indicated that the attackers also accessed teachers' credentials for PowerSchool. In response to inquiries, Keebler explained that the type of data stored in the Student Information System (SIS) platform and its retention policies vary by customer and state regulations. While our data review is ongoing, we expect most involved customers did not have social security numbers or medical information exfiltrated, she stated. PowerSchool assured TechCrunch that it has taken appropriate steps to prevent the publication of stolen data and believes that this data has been deleted without further replication or dissemination. However, the company did not provide specific details about these measures or evidence supporting the claim that the stolen data had been deleted. If you want to get more notices on data breaches and other security news, hit the like and subscribe buttons.